Greens one and all, how's everyone doing? Happy Friday, everyone. I was actually out on I had a little thing going on today, but because of some digestive issues, that was cut short. Just gonna head home. So, gotta adapt with what you got. So I'm just gonna do my Fired Up Friday here and hold off my original plan for another time. So, let's just jump right into it. Oh, and before we do that, let's go straight to today's mail call and stickers and channel shout out. Can't forget those. We got ourselves a mail call. All right. Before we dive right into this week's channel shout out, let's do a mail call. Come on out. There we go. Looks like a card. And it's a sticker. I'm going to read the card off camera. Appreciate that. We got a sticker from Cat in the North. Her channel will be linked down below. Very nice lady. Thank you, sister. Appreciate that. We got a mail call. Also from gentleman Dean. His channel is Orion. Let's see if I can get it out. Oh, there we go. Oh, we get two, I think. Orion. Very cool guy. I like his sticker. That's a really cool sticker. Really cool. Set the other one aside for now. And then we have, also from Orion, we have a package. Make sure I'm in camera. He's offered to send me a striker for Flint Steel. And there's a lot more in here. Oh wow. That is cool. I like that bag. That's really awesome. So we have nice piece of Flint. Very cool. Another really cool piece of Flint. That's awesome. We got ourselves cookie tin. Sweet. We get I think it's a pull top tin. With this being, or it's a twist. Oh, come on, hands. Well, I'll fight with that in a bit. Oh, cool. A couple of candles. Those are very cool. And we got also one really cool. Oh, wow. Look at that. That's badass. That is really cool. I love that. And then here we have oh, sweet. Got one of those, as I pulled the end off. One of those lamp wicks. I've actually never used one of these before, so. As I tear some off on accident. So you just light the end, and then you use it against tinder. I've never used one before, so I'm actually pretty excited about using that. Very cool. Thank you, brother. Appreciate that. Man, I gotta say, these are really cool. So again, thank you, brother. Appreciate that. I'm gonna do a separate video on those. So let's draw this week's. We got 2. I'll put 1 away. This week's channel shout out goes to. Oh, cool. We had Jack, Redneck Renegade. Very cool guy. Where's the sticker? It is right here. I don't know if you can see that, but oh no, you couldn't. Redneck Renegade. Sticker's right there. Very cool guy. Sweet. So some great shout outs this week for a great guy. Also for Ryan and Kat in the North. All their channel links will be in the description. Let's get to this week's burn. So I gotta head to the woods because it's already later than I wanted it to be. Typical. So if you're wondering about this, it's going to be in a video coming up. In fact, I do a full bag dump for what I've got going on both the other day and today. But what I've got, you might remember that Flint steel set I picked up on Etsy. Well, spoiler, I kind of made a little set out of that stuff that I showed you. That this is a roll from that my buddy Mark Kratz sent me, and it won't be up this weekend though, because I've got a bow drill coming up on Saturday, and then Sunday I've got something else coming up. Oh, cooking video. The car had to come right as I was. There we go. That was that cedar bark I picked up when I was out scouting for rocks. Sweet. Butthead. Well, alrighty. Well, as always, I appreciate you watching. If you want to know what's in this bag, the contents of it, and the roll I was using, you know, check back with the channel or subscribe if you'd like. And I would appreciate a like. That would be great. And let me know what you think. Don't forget to check out Cat in the North or Ryan. I'll relink Mark Kratz's video or channel again, because he's a good dude. And yeah, so as always, thanks for watching. We'll catch you in the next one, and have a great weekend.